We're moving away from LTO tape, but we still want a full incremental backup. We need a disaster recovery copy of our production system or a complete backup in the cloud and on our IT storage. Or we simply just want to archive to the cloud. If any of that sounds familiar, EFS CloudSync is here to help. The primary function of EFS CloudSync is to run a comprehensive sync backup to either cloud storage or local SMB and NFS storage. This can include some or all of your EFS media spaces, as well as your flow proxies and your daily flow database backups. This can serve as disaster recovery and archive. EFS CloudSync can be used to sync your on-prem EFS system to most major cloud storage locations. The contents of your on-prem EFS media spaces will be synced on a schedule into your cloud storage destination. You can see here in our cloud location, all of our media spaces are being synced, as well as our flow files, which include our daily database backups and all of our flow proxies. The database backups and flow proxies could be restored to a new EFS flow system in the case of disaster recovery. Let's view the contents of one of our media spaces. As new files are added to our on-prem EFS system, the EFS CloudSync server is syncing those to our cloud location. Once that incremental sync is complete, we again have a mirrored copy of our material backed up on our cloud location. In an optional step 2, your on-prem flow system can be configured to scan the cloud storage location and add those cloud file paths as archived locations for each file. Users would then be able to browse and work with the proxies and restore individual files or collections of files to EFS when needed. Using the third-party storage integration in Flow, you can connect that same cloud location and optionally set flags as a read-only and archive location. This allows Flow to scan the disaster recovery location. Since Flow already has proxies and metadata for these files, it simply updates and adds additional locations for each file. And because we flagged this cloud bucket as an archive location, Flow has the awareness that this file has been archived. If we've deleted or archived a media space from our on-prem EFS system, that material is still available in our cloud location. A permitted user can select multiple files or a single file and issue a restore command from the cloud location back to an existing EFS location. Once the file restore is complete, Flow updates the asset's metadata to include the new on-prem path for that file. Meanwhile, the Flow proxies and metadata are always accessible, whether the material resides on your on-prem EFS system or in your cloud-synced backup. EFS CloudSync is available now with updated features and capabilities in the works. This is a great first step in the journey to the cloud for many customers.